Welcome to Buyukcekmece, a hidden gem on the outskirts of Istanbul, where the charm of local life mingles with stunning waterfront views. Unlike the bustling tourist spots, Büyükçekmece offers a refreshing escape for those seeking a more authentic experience. On our first visit, we arrived in the morning, greeted by the crisp, fresh air. The peaceful atmosphere was a welcome contrast to the city's usual hustle and bustle. We strolled along the coastline, taking in the serene beauty of the ocean and the picturesque marina dotted with boats gently bobbing in the water. The sight was truly enchanting.
Finally, after how many days that we've been in Istanbul, it's been snowing and cold and chilly, and the weather have kept changing. And finally, in today's video, that it's like a normal day. There's a lot of sunshine and there's a blue sky, but it's still chilly and cold. And I love the view, and I've been enjoying. So let's just walk a little bit, and I want to share with you this beautiful view, guys. The weather is so cold, but it's sunny and it's blue sky, but you cannot see because it is still cold. So I'm happy, guys, because today is our last day here in this area. We're going back tomorrow, and finally it's sunny.
Buyukcekmece is more than just a beautiful location. It's a place where you can experience the essence of Istanbul's local culture, away from the tourist crowds. Whether you visit during the calm of the morning or the lively evenings, the views and the ambiance make it a memorable destination. Diba guys, ang ganda rito. Ang ganda guys, napakaganda. Talagang mahilig ako sa boat, mahilig ako sa water, at ang
Ang ganda ng kulay ng tubig at malinis. Hindi ko akalain na meron to dito. At least pumunta ako dito, diba? Bago kami umuwi bukas. Kaya guys, marami pa tayong pupuntahan. Pero sa tingin ko kasi last day namin today. Buti na lang, pumunta kami dito at magandang araw. Kahapon kasi nag-snow kaya medyo nahirapan kami. O diba? Ang ganda. Tignan nyo naman guys. O diba? Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda ng view. Ayun ang flag ng Turkey. Ayan, laging meron. At ang gaganda ng bangka, guys. Tignan mo yung bangka, oh. Sa tingin ko yung mga nandito yung mga mayayaman ng mga tao. Kasi lahat yan may kanya-kanyang yate. Siguro yung mga rich people, the only one who can afford to have one boat are those people who are rich. O, diba guys? Buti na lang, pumunta kami dito, guys. Kasi nawawalan na ako ng pag-asa kahapon kasi ang pangit ng weather eh. Pinagbigyan ako this morning. Kaya itong side na to tingnan natin guys.
Okay guys, we have here our two beautiful ladies and they're taking me for a dinner. And so we decided to go anywhere. So let's see, I think we're going back to the place that we've been to this morning.
Later, we returned in the evening for dinner. The cold air nipped at us, but the warmth of the local eateries made up for it. Dining over the marina was nothing short of magical. The local restaurants served delicious meals, and we enjoyed the vibrant atmosphere filled with laughter and conversation.
Take a photo.
Which one? What is this?
Marina. What is it? Marina, yeah. It's nice here. I like it here. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's very nice. I like it, the way how it is. So let's go and walk, guys. Yeah, it's like that. I like it. I like buildings. Buildings like this. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Napakaganda dito. Kaso ang ginaw. Look at this, it's so cool. But we're going to walk, guys. So let's go. Okay, let's go. I don't know what's the area. I'll let you know. I have to search. But this place is nice. It's like, I don't know. I really like the building. I think the architecture and everything, it's nice. It reminds me, I think this is a new one. They have sushi. They have, wow. They have a lot of restaurants. And this place is not, because it's winter, maybe during the summertime, there's a lot of people here. So, tingnan natin guys, ha? Grabe. Ang ginaw-ginaw. Pero maganda, ang ganda ng building. Mahilig kasi ako sa ganito guys eh. Talaga, hilig ko talaga sa ganito na yung bang relaxing na ano. Kasi dito parang relaxing siya eh. Ang ganda ng view at ang ganda ng, alam mo na. Ayan guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. My goodness. Okay guys, we're walking. I'm surrounded by beautiful woman who is my guide. So we'll go and have a coffee. I think it will be a nice view, so we're trying to look for a nice view and we'll see if it's really beautiful. But actually I like it because it's less people because it's winter. So let's see guys. Let's You want it here? Let's sit. You want it here or outside? Which one you want? Hi. Table for us. Okay. Okay guys, we're here. We're going to have coffee and food. We are already full, but we need to eat, so because we need to try the food here. Okay?
conclusion, Buyukcekmece is a charming reminder of the beauty that lies just beyond the typical tourist paths in Istanbul. Whether you're seeking a tranquil morning by the sea or a cozy evening filled with delicious food and stunning views, this locale has something special to offer. So, if you ever find yourself in Istanbul, don't miss the chance to explore Buyukcekmece. It's a place where the local spirit thrives, and the breathtaking scenery will leave a lasting impression.
Okay guys, that concludes part 4 of our Turkey travel vlog. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell so that you're more updated with our upcoming travel vlog. But anyway guys, I thank you for watching, and please always remember that travel with your heart and let adventure shape your story. Bye bye guys!